In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect a bank account to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your bank securely linked so transactions flow in automatically, saving you time and reducing data entry errors. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company. On the left panel, look for the menu and click on Accounting. This is where QuickBooks keeps all your bookkeeping tools, and it's the hub for managing your accounts and feeds. Once you're there, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. You might also see it referred to as Banking in some layouts. This page is dedicated to your connected financial institutions and the transaction feeds that come from them. Near the top of this page, you'll see a button labeled Link Account. Click that to start the connection process. This tells QuickBooks you're ready to securely connect to your bank and pull in transactions automatically, rather than importing them manually. A search box will appear where you can type the name of your bank. Enter your bank's name and select it from the list of results. If your bank has multiple versions, such as different regions or account types, choose the one that matches how you sign in on your bank's website. Taking a moment to pick the correct listing helps avoid connection issues later. Next, you'll authenticate the connection with your bank. This happens in a secure window provided by your bank, not by QuickBooks. You'll typically enter your usual online banking username and password, and you may be asked to complete multi-factor authentication, like a code sent to your phone or email. Have your verification method handy so you can complete the step without interruption. Remember, this connection is read-only for transaction data. It doesn't let QuickBooks move money in your account. Once authentication is successful, the connection will complete, and your bank feeds will begin flowing into QuickBooks automatically. The initial download can take a few moments, especially if your bank provides several months of history. You'll soon see transactions appear in the Bank Transactions page, queued up and ready for you to sort and record. From here, you can review what comes in, match items to existing records, and categorize expenses and income accurately. If you don't see transactions right away, give it a little time and then refresh the page. That's all there is to it. You clicked Accounting on the left panel, went to the Bank Transactions tab, used Link Account, searched for your bank, authenticated securely, and now your bank feeds are automatically added in QuickBooks, ready for you to sort and record.